What's good? What's up? Hi, YouTube. Hey, my babies. All my new subscribers. Hey, so I know y'all was like, why? First of all, I do not mind how I look. Okay? Because I didn't just wake up, but y'all don't understand. But my hair looking like this because I had conditioned it last night and I just put it in the bun. Okay, so bet y'all wondering about all these clothes right here. Going on a trip. I am going on a trip, but it's really not a trip. I'm really going back home. If y'all don't know, yes, I'm not from Georgia. I am not from Georgia at all. I'm from Louisiana, born and raised in Louisiana. So I'm going back home, and y'all's gonna watch me pack my clothes. But as y'all know in the previous videos, also I was telling y'all that I was in between moving as well. So that's why I really wasn't uploading constantly, and I wasn't doing pranks or whatever. So I'm also packing. Nobody. I'm also packing to go back home, and I'm packing to move. So yeah. And like I know I've been gone for like 8 days. Top 8 days top. I haven't been doing videos because it just been a lot going on, and I wasn't at home. Well, I wasn't here. I was at a friend's house, so just like, yeah. So yep, that's what we're doing today. We're packing my clothes to go on this trip, and then packing my clothes to move. So it's basically like a vlog, not really, but I am doing more vlogs for you guys. I'm not gonna tell y'all the videos I'm doing. I'm just gonna drop videos back to back since I am going on a trip. So it's gonna be vlogs, probably little pranks, challenges, all that. So it's just gonna be, yeah, a little fun little day of my real life at my real home, I guess. Yeah. All right, so let's get started. First of all, I'm taking all my winter clothes out because I don't need it. It's summertime. I'm not. And I already don't like the heat. So yeah, let's get it.
I don't know where the hell it is.
I think I seen some in that blue bucket.
Drawers?
Yeah, it was like a pack of drawers. Not in that one. It was like a blue bucket that's right there.
Oh, sure. What's going on with the darkness? Okay.
No, I need it. I'm doing my YouTube video.
Hey YouTube. Hey YouTube.
I mean, they really can't. I mean,
So,
girl.
I need the light. I'm looking for my son's drawers. We're packing.
I
can't
them
find.
that.
Oh. I'm just looking, so I need the lights.
I seen it in that bucket right there.
Right here?
No, I think it was in 6 bucket. That bucket over there, Mama. That bucket over there.
I can't believe I done misplaced all my son's drawers.
How you misplaced all?
Look under that bed, Sherelle.
Nah, I ain't under the bed.
JT! Just what I want you to do is roll them up, and
I'm packing my summer clothes.
I know, and whatever you're not taking, leave it in the bucket and put it in storage. Yes. Oh.
Yes, ma'am. I was looking for them ties. Yeah, as y'all see, it is a lot going on. Like a lot. Like yes. Carter. Huh? Huh? James at the car right now. Carter, get in here.
And all these damn hoodies.
Where were all these at?
In the dirty clothes that I got out the storage the other day that I washed.
Cause I was about to say, bro, I've been looking
This
for
yours?
half these clothes. No, I would love to keep them.
Sit! This yours?
I give it JT.
Oh. That's the pillowcase. I found him, James.
Do Dad know?
Yeah.
That's why the best way when packing to roll up your clothes.
I just told her that. I just told her. Where I'm at. I just told her that. The best way packing is roll. Six, was it a pillow in the dryer? Was it a pillow in the dryer?
JT took it out.
Here. Are you taking this pillow?
That ain't mine.
Shrey, you never did bring that pillow I bought.
Oh yeah. mean, I guess.
Is that brown blanket yours too?
Ooh. Oh man. Never mind.
What?
Okay, so this how we're gonna do it since in Mississippi I'll drive. But I'ma sleep through Georgia, just so I can have energy. I'ma try to sleep through Georgia. Cause usually when you take these long trips, I don't go to sleep, so it's a possibility I'll just be having the energy.
I didn't know who MAU shirt and green socks was, so I just put them over there. And some they look like some soccer socks.
Oh, okay. This is acrylic, okay? Acrylic on my shirt.
So yeah, cause
I use my shirts when I do my nails. Shirts that I know I'm not gonna wear. We need the vendors. I need to start my lashes.
Hello, what we discussed? I thought you said because we couldn't get the samples, so I said, do you just want to take the risk and get in the 10 samples? I mean the 10 lashes.
Yeah, I like her lashes, but we had problems because our Cash App cards wasn't working.
Oh yeah, we gotta get home with Cash App card.
But we're almost done packing my clothes. I'm lying, like, this bag, if y'all want to see, what's up? I look rough, or whatever. This bag is literally full, like full to the top. All right. This bag is full.
Stuff it.
I did.
You can fit some on the side right in the middle.
I mean, you could have kept this in the storage too.
What?
This thing right here.
Well, that came with the towels and stuff that I needed.
All right, we're almost done. So when I get done packing all this, I'll be right back. Okay. I'm back. Okay, so I'm back and really getting a shower. But I'm back and I'm done packing all my clothes. Let me switch it around. Alright, so I'm done packing all of this. And then that red bag. But these are the clothes that I'm not bringing with me. Those are all winter clothes. So yeah, we're kind of done packing my clothes. But I pack all my hair stuff. And yeah, so yeah, that's all. That's it. That's all. I'm finna go load this in the car, and I'll see y'all.
I might have to go in the back seat.
Okay, I'll see y'all in the next video, and that's gonna be a vlog for sure. So my hair stuff is in there. So bye you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see y'all soon.